Welcome to Mystery Twins, and in today's video we are going to be turning this slime into a brand new slime. But before we start this video, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. So basically this slime has been worn down, it's sticky, it's gross looking, and we're going to be fixing it up today. First we're going to start off by putting it into a bowl so it's easier to fix up. So we got the slime into the bowl. It's a really sticky slime. It's very thin. The color's not too good anymore, so we're going to be fixing it up. First, I'm going to start off with fixing up the texture. It is very sticky and thin. So I'm going to try to add some clay to see if that will thicken it up. So I chose my color, and it's a dyed clay, so maybe it will change the color of this slime. A small piece of it, add that in, and then I'm going to put the rest away. This doesn't eat the whole thing. I'm just going to mix it in. I don't know why I put my hands in this. I'm going to be adding a little more clay because it's still super sticky. So, and I only got like half of the slime when I was mixing it. I'm going to get the whole thing this time. So the slime's kind of a mess right now. It's really sticky, so I'm going to add a little bit of activator. That was a lot. Oh my god. It's dripping. Okay, it's getting way better now. Oh yeah, that's good. Maybe a little bit more. Yeah, that's really good. Now that we got a pretty decent texture, it's not so sticky, it's a little more thick. Now we're going to base off the looks. So I'm going to be adding some foam beads for a little bit of a different texture than I had before, because the texture before was a little bit plain. So I've decided to go with these colorful beads because I think it will match the slime pretty good. So I'm just going to add a bunch in. I was going to add a little, but it all just came out. So now let's mix it. As I'm mixing it in, I could already feel how the texture's improving. Finally, I decided to add some glitter for a little bit of a cooler look. So this is a finished slime. It's 20 times better than the other one. The color is better, it has better texture, it's way thicker. It's just more fun to play with. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. If we get 30 likes on this video, we will do another Fix a Slime challenge. If you haven't seen our other video, that was the Fix a Slime challenge. Go check that out. It's pretty cool. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.